Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to archive a conversation in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. To archive a conversation from the inbox, select the conversation you want to archive. Click on Menu, then select Archive. To archive a conversation from the Flow Builder, click on Action. Then click on Inbox. Select Archive. Please note that the conversation will automatically be unarchived when the contact sends a message to your bot again. There you have it. You just learned how to archive a conversation in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.